The G3 ridge is an elegant, low-profile ridge that can be used on both warm, non-vented roofs as well as cold, vented ones. The ridge kit consists of a ridge cap, a connector piece, compression strip, and a color-coded stainless steel clip. As with all zinc roofing, specialist skills and tools are required. For a vented roof, a 30mm opening is required and can be covered with an insect mesh. For a vented ridge, the top of the standing seam panel requires a 15mm upstand. For a warm roof, this can be 25mm. At the eave, a standard T-plate is installed with clips. The hem at the bottom of the panel will depend on the panel length. 30mm for up to 7 meter panels and 50mm for panels up to 13 meters in length. For a dogtooth eave detail, the zinc should be punched. This eliminates the risk of any tearing of the zinc under high wind loading. A swept end eave is another option, but does take more time. At the ridge, the seams must be completely double-seamed right up to the upstand. The ridge cap is placed over the ridge and the position for the clips is marked. The clips are then fitted with the bottom of the clip lining up with the mark. The compression strip is then fitted 10mm below the upstand. The strip should be 20mm wider than the zinc panel width. The ridge cap can now be fitted with the connector pieces. 2mm should be left between ridge caps. A number of options are available for the junction between the ridge and the verge. Every clip must be attached to the ridge with a stainless steel screw. The protective film can now be removed.